In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't send a message on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. If you're trying to send a message to somebody and if those messages can't be delivered or you can't even see the message after you're hitting a send button, there are a couple of different ways how you can solve that problem. And the first way is open up your web browser and then search for speed test and then go to speedtest.net to check if you have good internet connection. Just hit right here at that big go button to test your internet connection. Now there, as you can see, I got good internet connection, so I have to search for a problem in some another place. Also, I can right here search for is Messenger down, and then I can go to downdetector.com to see if there are some problems right now with the Facebook Messenger servers. I can scroll down here to see that outages reported graph, and as you can see right now there are no high spikes, so for sure there are no big problems with Facebook Messenger servers. Also right here at the very top you can check the current status for Messenger servers. User reports indicate no current problems at Facebook Messenger. But if there are some problems, all you have to do is just wait until that problems will be fixed. If there are no issues, you can try the next solution. Just open up settings, then scroll down and hit on general. Next, hit right here at iPhone storage, then wait for a couple of seconds, and after that you can scroll down through all of that apps list, and here you have to find Messenger app. Here it is, and there you can force reinstall Messenger app. That removes any bugs, any errors and any glitches with your Messenger app. So first hit right here at offload app, then confirm it, wait for a couple of seconds and then hit on reinstall app. And now all Messenger app core data files is being downloaded and installed. As you can see, the process is already finished, and after that you can open up Messenger app without even entering your login and password again, so all your data keep saved. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.